Hello students, now we are continuing the next points of vectors, that is projections of points or projections of two vectors. Let a bar and b bar, that is a bar and b bar, be any two vectors represented by a line OA bar and OB bar respectively, such that it made angle between them, that is angle theta. Then let a bar and b bar be two vectors, position vectors. They represented by line OA bar and OB bar, by OA bar and OB bar respectively. And such that angle made between them is theta. Theta is angle between them. Let the line BC, line segment BC, be the perpendicular to OA. Let line segment BC bar be the perpendicular from point B to C, from point B to that is OA. Then origin to C point, origin to C segment line is called OC bar, is called scalar projection, is called scalar projection. Of position vector of b bar, that is small b bar, are called projection of b bar on point vector position a bar. In above diagram, in right angled triangle OCB, right angle triangle, that is, we write OC divided by OB is equal to cos theta. In triangle OCB, that is OC bar divided by OB bar is equal to cos theta. Therefore, we find the value of OC bar. Therefore, we write OC bar is equal to, we multiply here OB bar into cos theta. And the value of OB bar is a small b bar, we put here, then we get here OC bar is equal to b into cos theta. Therefore, scalar projection of b bar on a bar. Therefore, scalar projection of vector b bar on vector a bar is equal to, we get b bar cos theta. B bar on a bar is equal to b cos theta. And now we put b cos theta value, that is b cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta. We have already know that is therefore we write a bar dot b bar is equal to a, and value of b cos theta, that is scalar projection of b bar on a bar. Scalar projection of b bar on a bar. Therefore we find the value of scalar projection of b bar on a bar. We get is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by a. A bar dot b bar divided by a. Therefore vector projection of b bar on a bar, that is equal to OC bar. Then we put here OC bar is equal to modulation of OC bar into a cap, where a cap is a unit vector. Here the value of a cap is unit vector along the point A, that is a cap. Then we write is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by a into a cap. It is also we write a bar dot b bar divided by modulation of a bar into a bar divided by modulation of a bar, that is value of a cap. A cap value is a bar divided by modulation of a bar. Also a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta is equal to b cos theta. We also write ab cos theta is equal to ba into cos theta. Therefore a bar dot b bar is equal to b in bracket scalar projection of a bar on b bar. Therefore scalar projection of a bar on b bar is equal to, we know that is a bar dot b bar divided by b. When we take change its first, that is b bar, then vector projection of A bar on B bar, that is equal to A bar dot B bar divided by B into, we take B cap, that is unit vector, then put here value, we get A bar dot B bar divided by modulation of B bar into B cap is B bar divided by modulation of B bar. It is the vector projection of A bar on B bar. Vector projection of B bar on A bar and A bar on B bar. That is, when we take the vector projection of B bar on A bar, we get A bar dot B bar divided by modulation of A bar into A bar divided by modulation of A cap. And vector projection of A bar on B bar, we get A bar dot B bar divided by modulation of B bar into B bar divided by modulation of B. If it is asked to find the projection of A bar on B bar, we find the scalar projection of A bar on B bar. Okay, we will stop here.